We've had this Woodlands mill a while and haven't had a chance to use it. I've been busy working till just now, and now we're going to get a chance to use it. And I've got my great-grandson here, Carter, and anyway, when we used it the other day, we forgot about the safety gear, but that's a must. You need this safety gear. Show what you got on the safety gear there, Carter. A face shield and ear protectors, and also a hard hat isn't a bad idea. And then he's got a pair of good husky gloves to wear. And so with all that gear, which we forgot to use when we were cutting this log, we're almost ready to go. And when we were sawing the other day, one thing that most all beginners do is forget to watch for these log stops. And so I forgot. I just looked, but then when we went down another inch, I forgot to look again, and we hit this log stop right here and just cut the top right off from it. And you can see where it was sawn real nice and smooth. And then when we hit that stop, it was anything but smooth. So we've got to take that blade off and see if we can sharpen it or else replace it. And so with the safety gear and everything, we'll remember to put that on the next time we get ready to saw. And so this is a reminder for people that might be starting it to put that safety gear on. Our neighbor Ron has brought his tractor up, and we're going to pick us out a log and load it on the sawmill. We pick out a log that looks like it's long enough to do the job, and so we'll hook a chain on it and pull it out of the pile and load it up on Ron's forks and take it up to the sawmill. Carter, our great-grandson, has his own chainsaw. He worked and bought his own chainsaw, and so he'll saw some of the limbs off from the tree so they won't get in the way as we load it on the sawmill. The Douglas fir are a very rapid growing, very plentiful tree around here. They grow real fast and they make excellent lumber. This tree has grown too large to handle by hand, so it's fortunate that Ron had his good husky tractor here to lift it with, and he's got forks on it, so he's all fixed.
And what are you doing there, Tom? Putting those stops up?
Put the stops on.
He obviously is going to want to make a video, so.
Yes.
Yeah.
There. Good dog. Look, there's the big log that they're going to cut up. And they're getting the stoppers all set up.
As we put the stops up,
I like soap.
I
Yeah, he
tell my
put soap in it.
great-grandson that we have to be really careful. We
Gas.
don't hit the stops.
I don't have any of
What do we
that
do? But hit them not once,
clear
but
gas
twice.
here.
But we could put a little plain gas in it, I guess. Have to have
Yeah.
the blade on the saw sharpened.
You gonna gas it up? How much gas does that hold? Maybe about 2.5 gallons?
Probably. But we don't need to put too much in it. It won't take much.
Huh.
It's going to bring the
big log.
log up here.
And this is the Woodland Mills.
Yeah.
Good girl, stay. Busy, stay,
So Ron's gonna bring up the log.
stay. Okay? I said stay.
How long of a log
Okay,
is
you
it?
hear me?
Did you measure it?
About 12 feet.
It's about 12 feet.
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay. Lay down. You gotta back up.
Carefully, Ron maneuvers the log around in place where we can roll it on the mill and put it over against the stops and secure it in place. The only problem, we don't have much room to operate here. I need to move some dirt, straighten things out around here a little bit where we can get to it easier. We'll get it there.
No, you want to see now. Sit. Sit.
Oh, one of your forks has hit one of those stops. There. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
What am I doing? I think it's gonna go over. Yeah, it's gonna go over. Knew it. Knew it. I knew it was gonna happen.
So now what do we do?
Well, that's okay. We'll get it. That darn big old log jumped over the stops on the mill and rolled down the hill, taking the old fence with it.
Come on, stay on. Go. Come on, let go. But it's gonna bring the whole thing down. It's catching. There we go.
We'll pick it up once we'll fix it.
Shorty's got to fix his fence.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, where it was rubbing on it, huh?
All we gotta do is pull that stuff
Easy. Come here. Hey.
Ron maneuvers the old fir log around and gets it ready to put on the meal first for try 2. All we can do is hope that it doesn't jump over the stops again and roll down the hill. And we're being really careful in case it does, so no one will get hurt. We don't want anybody below this at all. Those logs are heavy and they can really hurt you. So far, all is going well, and Ron's maneuvering the log over and getting ready to lower it down on the sawmill so we can start sawing it.
Go back a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Let me push it.
Carter will help place the log on the mill just where we want it. He's helping with a PV right now.
Hey. Is that cool?
I've always been fascinated with sawmills and always wanted my own, and I finally got it. But I may be getting almost to the point where I can't use it anymore, being 84 years old. But if I can teach my grandkids right, they can carry on the tradition. We're trying to maneuver the log over against the stops, and I keep reminding my grandson we gotta watch we don't saw into the stops.
I'm glad he moved. Now get out of the way.
Grandpa, back up.
Grandpa, you need to go so we can get out.
Do not climb over that, Grandpa. Stay right on this side.
You're not moving. There, we got it.
We gotta slide it over.
Right at what? Where?
There, this one got situated. That was just wow.
Not over where I thought? No? It's all the way on this side. It's all the way. Yeah. The only one is not against is the middle. All I get no on this side. On this side.
Please be careful, son.
Be careful over there.
I got my hand.
Carter, be careful. All we need to do.
Hey, it comes off that side. Daisy.
Daisy, get back.
You ready?
You're gonna slide it over?
Yeah, but it's, Grandpa, like I'm saying, it's touching right here, but not touching right here. And every time I move it on this side, it moves on that side.
Well, I'll put this stop on and that'll stop that.
Oh, okay.
But stick your tongue thing out.
You good?
Yes.
I think that'll be okay. Now let's slide this thing up.
How are you supposed to do that? Will it work over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Carter, or
Well,
Now, we'll go ahead.
please be careful, Grandpa.
Start it?
Got it.
Can you start it?
were you raising it?
Step back, Grandpa.
Okay.
You can get your
Good? It's okay to turn it on too. Is the
Lay.
gas on?
Daisy, lay down.
Okay, let's see.
Probably it doesn't need choking, or not much.
I need choke.
Was he trying to start it?
Fully choke, full choke.
Okay, now try without choking it.
Where did this come from? Amazon?
Huh?
I said, where
There, he got it.
That got very smooth.
There.
You need Dad to clean some milk.
Got it. Dip it.
Grandpa, you hold that.
Here's me.
Get out of the way.
I don't hit those stops over there, Carter.
He was hitting the stop.
Grandma, I got him tied. Very good. Very close. Probably move it before you get there.
Yeah, maybe the Lord now. Carter's struggling, trying to figure out those stops, but he'll get it in a little bit, and I'm certainly glad he's taken interest in this. This can be a really fun hobby, and we've got so many different species of trees around with all different wood in them. It'll make it
You know what I was thinking? When I was doing the choke, I think I was shutting the feel off. Not the.
It's heavy. Not the top. Yep.
What?
On the side.
Oh, there we go. I don't need this.
Would running the forks up under here?
That'd probably do it. We've got a 6-inch cant cut here now, and we have to slide it off and
We've got a
remove the
cant
log, and then put it back on and start sawing.
You got
some
your finger under there,
1/6
huh?
out of it.
Heavy that way.
Carter, hold that in so Grandpa can pull his end and not go back. I probably could push it. No, hold on, I'll just pull it.
Ron has his tractor here. This green fir lumber is super heavy,
That's a big can.
and that tractor makes short work out of it.
I'm worried about that.
Where you going with it?
No,
Cart?
that's fine.
Started pull-
I'll get out of the way.
Huh?
We'll do this stop here, and we'll roll this guy.
Don't get underneath that, Carter.
What, right over there?
What's that?
Which way are we rolling it?
Right over this way.
This way?
Did you only need one piece?
Roll it right on top of this one.
I'm scared it's gonna go
I'll
towards
get that
me.
PV and try on it.
I'm scared it's gonna go towards me. That's the thing. I'm gonna land on my feet. I don't want to.
Well, or
Oh, grab a tongue. Come on.
It's caught in there.
loosen it on the bottom. Is it loosened?
Let's see, I need the PV down here, I guess, to pry this off.
You don't like it? I could go over that.
Go over there and push.
I know, I could just push. You didn't have to use people.
Grandpa stays out of the way.
They're handy.
There it went.
There. Now,
Can you get the mail back over here? Say bye, Lori.
I'll show you a picture of all of them.
Okay, go. Good. There you go back. Yeah?
Oh, just a little bit.
Carter, you need to pick up these ends.
What? Now what? Okay? Really? Okay, here we go. So far.
Carter's going to start the motor on the mill. There, he got it.
You can get up higher.
we will start off by cutting the bark edge off this can, and then when we get it off, we'll be ready to start cutting our 2x6s. The mill grinds and growls and kicks a stream of sawdust out.